Good morning. Today is day 14 of the Junk Journal July challenge, which is hosted by Meg Journals and Get Messy Art. And the prompt for today is torn. So I thought I would use all these papers and tear them up and make a background. And I have these vintage doilies. They're really vintage. And this one was ripped already. So this is going to be my focal point, and I will explain that as I go along. The first order of events is to tear up some papers and get them down. So let's just get started. I've got some straight lines that can go on the edges. Let's see. I don't want every piece giant either. Let's see. This could be a corner piece, right like that. And then I have to get all the under pieces. I don't have to actually have all the whole thing covered. This one is too white. I'm not going to use that one. This is a different kind of music paper than that one. So let's tear this off for this corner down here. Actually, we don't need that now. Put that right here. And I got some piano paper we can use. I don't know if this tears very well. Let's find out. Oh yeah, it tears just fine. We'll put that one here, and maybe we'll put this one under here, and might as well cover the whole thing just in case. I can put this side right here. Well, I'm going to glue some of these down now, and then we'll see what we got left. Alright, so I have my torn paper background. Now I have my doily that I am going to tear right in half and glue it down. I guess I'm going to have to do it this way. Maybe I'll do it this way to fit on my paper. That's going to go like that. Let's turn this around and glue our heart down. As you can see, my doily was heart-shaped, and I think I'm going to have to do it like this. I have torn my little heart doily in half. And some of you might be guessing it's because my heart is broken. It's just a temporary break. It'll be fixed. It's actually something, there's a hair in there. It's not something really bad that happened or anything like that, so don't be worried. But it just is. I didn't place that very well on the center of the page. Well, I'm going to put a little quote or something here anyway, so I think that'll work out. Now let's see if we can get this down here. My heart will be mended. It's okay. Oops. This one is not sticking for some reason. There. It's coming through. I don't know how delicate this page is going to be, or how well it will last. But there we go. Now I'm going to find a quote about broken hearts and paste it down. There. Yeah, it's very difficult to get this to lay down. That's a real vintage one. I found this in an old thrift store, and I've been hoarding it. But that one was already broken or ripped, so I thought it would be okay to use for this particular spread. Right, here's my finished spread for Junk Journal July, day 14. Oh, actually, I forgot to glue them down. Anyway, I got my 2 quotes because I couldn't pick. And this one says, "The heart was made to be broken," by Oscar Wilde. And this one says, "Hearts will never be made practical until they are made unbreakable," by L. Frank Baum. I think that's the guy that wrote The Wizard of Oz. So that is my spread for July 14th. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Because we're going to have another prompt tomorrow, which is tucked away. That one shouldn't be too hard. I hope you're all well and happy and healthy and having a wonderful day. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.